done. Hey everyone, it's Laura and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do another makeup video. I'm gonna link the first one I did right here. I think it was like 6 months ago, I want to say. It was a rainbow exotic look and I completely failed and it was so funny to film. So if you guys haven't checked that out, please go check that out. Basically what I did is I just took a tutorial from YouTube and then I tried to do it on my face as well as I could. And I do that because I'm terrible at makeup, so I kind of just see how well or how not well I do it. So yeah, I thought it was a really funny video and I would love to do more of these if you guys enjoy them. And yeah, so I'm gonna pick a tutorial and then, oh god, this is so embarrassing. Okay, without further ado, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and let's get right into it. This is like, I want to say all, but it probably isn't all, but this is like the majority of my sister's makeup collection. Because if you guys didn't know, not that you have any reason to know, I don't own makeup. I think I have like a concealer, a mascara, and eyeliner and a lipstick. I couldn't even be bothered to take out products. I just took her whole drawer box thing. And then I have all her like main palettes, I think. And then brushes. So yeah, I think I'm set. I'm good to go. And I also laid out a towel on the floor right here. Oh yeah, my fuzzy socks, by the way. On the floor right here so that, you know, when you, I learned this, by the way. Actually, I'm gonna put this down. Oof, so much at once. I learned that when you take an eyeshadow color, you have to like tap it so that the excess comes off. And then I don't want to do that and make a mess, so I put a towel so it's easier to clean up. So yeah. So the video that I chose is called Morph times James Charles Artistry Palette Neutral Glam Eyeshadow Tutorial by Angela Bright. So yeah. Okay. Now I'm ready. What do I need to do first? I need to, I'll just watch the video. I'm ready. Pumped. I got this.
My base is just a little bit tacky and I want to see how this works. So here we go. I'm going to take the shade Code James on a Sigma E40.
Okay. So apparently you have to put like concealer on your eyes or something, which I have never heard of before, but I mean, if she says it, and that's obviously right. So I'm just going to use this Manhattan Wake Up concealer. I don't even know if this is my color, honestly, like at this point. I am just rolling with it. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that. And I'm not gonna use this because there's no point. It's like what is this? A 1 centimeter surface area? So I'm just gonna go like this. Oh god. Why do we put this on our eyes? Like, does it set like a protection layer, or does anyone know the purpose? I'm definitely doing this wrong. First step done.
And I'm going to pack this in my crease.
Okay, so she took an orange one, but first of all, I don't think I have orange, and I don't really like orange either, so... Okay, so she said she's doing it sloppily, which means it's probably, like, not that important. So... I hope you guys can see that. Wait, I gotta do this the right way. So, I'm gonna take a brush. I'm gonna be using this color right here. And she said to just sloppily put it in the crease of my eye.
So I'm just kind of sloppily putting the color in my crease and then I will.
It's not rocket science, right? So it should be fine. I don't know if I'm doing this right, like, at all. Like, does that look right to you? So now she's taking, like, a much lighter orange and blending it with her darker orange, but because I didn't even use orange in the first place. Okay, that was way darker than that one. Because she didn't even use, I didn't even use orange in the first place. I'm just gonna do a darker brown, a lighter brown, because that's like the same concept of dark and light, but just a different color. This is praline, and this is peanut. So I think that's a pretty good, like, lighter tone. So I'm gonna use that. And she's just putting that on the outer part. She's putting it like along here.
Code James.
Okay, so now she took the same color again and went over that. But I'm feeling that peanut is not the same lightness as the one she's using. So I'm gonna use popcorn, which is this one right here. So she did everything on the outer one. She went actually really high up. She was pretty much at her eyebrows. So I think I can stretch up a bit more too. Is that even doing anything? Like, whoa, I went so far out. Oh, God. Okay, well, that's as good as it's gonna get. Now she went back with the same color that she was using before. So that's what I'm gonna do. Praline. Coming back. Making its comeback to society. So confusing. Okay, so now she took a really dark red. So I'm going to take a really dark color. I'm going to take this color called Blackberry right here. And she did that on the, what is this called? The bottom corner, the outer corner or something. And then she made it like super strong. But I'm struggling to get my eyes to look the same. I feel like the first eye is always better than the second eye. Oh my God. Okay, well that just smudged. Wow. Love that. It's okay. It's all part of the learning process. That just messed up. Anyway, next up. Whoa. Laura, what have you done?
Just because I do have to do more packing motions with this palette. So that's why I'm kind of using more denser brushes like these guys. You just have to use a different technique for this palette. I'm going to take a look.
Okay, now she took like a middle tone thingy in her crease. So I'm going to take this one called Go for Gold. Looks like that. Because that's what she said. And she's right, so I have no idea what that's doing. Or if that's doing anything at all. But you know what? We're going to go with it because life is about adventures and experimentation. And that's what I'm all about. This is so bad. What am I doing? Why do I do these things? Like, I do them because they're fun, but then again, I realize that I'm just making a fool out of myself. Okay.
Take a Sigma L05.
Okay, now let's take a really light silvery one.
Put that on the inner part.
Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take a really light one as well. Okay, well, it doesn't really seem to be cutting it, does it now? Okay, so I decided I'm gonna use this thing. I don't know if that's right, but that's what I'm gonna try and use now, okay? Well, that's not doing anything at all. I'm failing miserably right now. Okay, I'm gonna try and use a different one because that one wasn't good enough. I'm gonna use every single one until one of them works to my standards. Nope, still not working. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, look, now it's working, now it's working. I didn't tap it, I only tapped it once instead of like 4 times. So it's much stronger. Oh, yes. It's working out much better. This is exciting. Okay, I can work with that. I can work with that. So now she's adding like a kind of like, she used red and I used black or something for her dark color. Now she used black like on the other side of the red to make it blend better. But because I already used a dark color, I used even darker colors. This doesn't have a name, but I'm gonna use this color. Oh my god, I went so far down. I look like a raccoon. No! No! What have I done? I can't even, I'm not gonna remove that. It doesn't work, it's just gonna smudge the whole makeup. I'm just gonna continue, okay? Okay, so now the next thing she did was just blend everything a bit more, so that's what we're gonna do. So now she took her red color and she's doing the same under her eyes. So for me, the red color was the brown. So I'm going to take the same brown that I used before, which I believe was peanut oh, it was peanut and it was praline. Praline. I never know how to say praline. Anyway. So I'm going to go back with that under my eyes. This brush is way too poofy. I need a much slimmer one. Why does this look so different to hers? Hers is so much like, it's like so, the color is so vivid. Mine just like blends. Is she not using eyeshadow? Is she using like eye paint or something? Is that a thing? Is eye paint a thing? I don't know. Oh my god, I look like a monster. So bad. It doesn't look anything like it's supposed to look. Even though I switched out the colors, it doesn't even have the same vibe about it. Okay, so now she took like her dark one and she put that in combination with the red one that she used under her eyes. So I'm gonna do that. Looks like I literally just took an eyeshadow palette and smeared it in my face. That's what I look like. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you guys see this right now? Oh my god. I can't even look at myself. I could cry. What am I even doing? What's the big difference between highlighter and eyeshadow, right? I mean, same thing, right? Just one is a bit shinier and whiter, and the other one comes in like a gajillion colors. So, now we have to do my favorite part, my friends, eyeliner. So I'm just gonna go get that because I have my own actually. This is from, oh, that was lower than I expected. And she said to do a really thin one, but because I'm an overachiever, I'm not going to make it thin. I'm going to just try and make it winged because that's like, I think that's so cool. Oh, yep, growing great. Ugh! Yeah, so I wanted to make it thin, but that didn't work out. And super long as well. I mean, you know what? We might as well just make this, because I said I'm an overachiever, so I might as well just make this even longer. I might as well just make this like a little eyeliner princess thing going on. You know, like, why would you make your eyeliner so short when you can make it so long, you know? Like, doesn't make any sense to me. Oh my gosh. I was trying to put it and my eyelid came down so far, I just painted the top of my eye. Wow, if that isn't skill, I don't know what is. So eyeliner is definitely my forte. I mean, can you see this? This is incredible. Oh my gosh. How does that happen? How does that freaking happen? Yeah, love it. Eyeliner definitely was just the cherry on top. Now, I'm gonna finish the look with some lipstick. Oh, yeah. That looks amazing. I mean, really, like. Oh, wow. Uh-huh. Oh, yep, slipped up a little there, didn't I? Make sure that gets everywhere. I think I'm done. I think I'm done with the look. I mean, wow. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And request any other videos that you guys want to see on my channel. Also, if you haven't seen the first kind of makeup fail video that I did, it will be linked right here. So I would love it if you guys went and watched that. And yeah, have a fabulous day.